So the exercise are basically remaining. So we have اقرأ المثال الآتي ثم كون أسئلة وأجوبة مثله. This means make questions. First you have to make questions, then answer it. So you'll make question on this pattern and also you have to answer. This is the pattern given. This is the example. So thing is that you'll be given a picture. So this is picture of a book, right? So you will ask whose book is this? So whose book is this? That will be your question, right? So we have learned earlier that liman, this construction liman means whose or to whom does something belong. So we ask like liman. So when we say this book, we say hadal kitabu, right? Hadal kitabu means this book. So then if we add liman with it, and the question word actually always comes in the beginning. So we'll say liman hadal kitabu. Hadal kitabu means this book. Hadal kitabu means this book. If I add to it liman hadal kitabu, it means to whom does this book belong or whose is this book. Then we will answer. The answer will be given like to whom does this book belong, that will be given in the parenthesis. Suppose this book belongs to Muhammad, so you have to say this book belongs to Muhammad. So how we say هذا الكتاب means this book, هذا الكتاب لمحمد, هذا الكتاب لمحمد. So this book belongs to Muhammad. So did you understand the construction?
Yes, yes.
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 So picture will be given. So we know this is picture of a book. First, we have to ask question. So to whom does this book belong? Or we say whose is this book? Okay. So we say in Arabic like this: Liman hadal kitabu. Hadal kitabu means this book. Liman. Liman means whose or to whom does it. So liman hadal kitabu. To whom does this book belong? Answer will be هذا الكتاب لمحمد. So the next question, next picture will come. So you have to make a question this order, I mean this pattern, and answer also in this pattern. That the example is given. Now can you tell me? This is picture of a pen. So first make a question on this pattern.
لمن هذا قلم؟
لمن هذا القلم؟
Liman hadal kalam, right? Liman hadal kalam. So you will write liman hadal hadal qalam, hadal qalam, right? Liman hadal qalam. So what does it mean?
Whose pen is this?
Whose pen is this? Now tell the answer like this pen belongs to Abbas. How we tell in Arabic?
هذا القلم عباس
لعباس.
Had
لعباس.
Naam. Hadal qalamu li Abbasin. Li means for or belongs to.
Oh,
Okay. So you have to say hadal qalamu li Abbasin. Okay. So when you add li here, li, it will come like kasra. Okay. Li Abbasin. Hadal qalamu, this part you will just copy. Hadal qalamu li Abbasin. Next one, we have a key here. So how you ask, whose key is this? How you say in Arabic, whose key is this?
لمن
لمن
هذا المفتاح؟
Naam.
لمن
Liman
هذا
hadal miftahu. Naam, naam. So then
هذا
answer it.
هذا المفتاح لمحمد لعلي لعلي.
Okay. Okay. Hadal miftahu li aliyin. Naam. MashaAllah. Next picture we have a car. So we have a car. You have to ask question, whose car is this? First tell whose car is this.
لمن هذه السيارة؟
Liman
What
hazihi sayyaratu, right?
هذه السيارة؟
Liman hazihi sayyaratu, because car we have sayyara, right?
Yes, this is feminine word.
Feminine word. So we have ta marbuta here. Sayyaratun. Sayyaratun.
Mm.
So we have ta marbuta. We have to use hadhihi. Liman hadhihi sayyaratu. So how to answer it? This car belongs to the principal. Suppose. How to say that?
هذه السيارة لم-
Lil
لمديري.
mudiri.
Lil mudiri. So another thing,
لمديري.
we have al mudiru, right? Al mudiru. Then if you add li to it, this alif goes away. This alif will go away. We'll write lil lil mudiri. So this alif goes away. We have lil mudiri. So we have to say هذه السيارة للمدير. So we write this way. So when you add lam, this lamul jar before a word that has al, so this alif will be omitted. So we'll write lil mudiri this way. Okay. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Now this one, we have a cow here. So how to ask the question, whose cow is this?
لمن هذه البقرة؟
لمن
No,
هذه
cow.
البقرة؟ لمن هذه
Yes.
البقرة؟
So bakara, uh, bakaratun, right? So we have ta marbuta here, bakaratun. So bakaratun, ta marbuta is there. So how to say? We
هذه
have to use hadhihi, right?
هذه
So liman hadhihil bakaratu. Liman hadhihil bakaratu. Then how to say this cow belongs to the farmer. Fallah, al-fallah. So how to say that?
هذه البقرة للفلاح.
Lil fallahi, exactly. Hazihil bakaratu lil fallahi. So this cow belongs to the farmer, or this is the farmer's cow. We can say this way also. Then we have a bag here, hakiba. We will be using hakiba, the word hakibatun. So how to say whose bag is this?
لمن هذه الحاكبة؟
Liman hadhihil hakibatu. Liman hadhihil hakibatu. Then suppose the bag belongs to the teacher, al-mudarris. How to say it?
هذا ال- هذه ال- ه- هذه الحقيبة للمدرس.
للمدرس. هذه الحقيبة للمدرس. Now, next we have a chair, right? So we want to say uh, chair. How to say in chair? We have
كرسي.
kursi. The word kursi. Kursiyun. Kursiyun means chair. So how to say whose chair is this?
لمن هذا الكرسي؟
Liman hadal kursiyu. Naam. Then we want to say suppose the chair belongs to Ammar. So how to say that this chair belongs to Ammar?
هذا الكرسي لأمار.
Li Ammarin. Naam. Then we have dajajatun. Dajajatun, we have ta marbuta, right? So suppose we are asking whose whose hen is this? How to say that?
لمن هذه الدجاجة؟
Liman hadhihi dajajatu. Dajaja, right?
Adjective, yes.
Liman hadhihi dajajatu. Then how to answer it? Suppose this belongs
هذه
to
الدجاجة
now.
بنت الفلاح.
Yeah, one thing. So if I add li here, it will become li bintil fallahi.
Yeah,
Li
بنت. Yes.
binti. So we have li binti, then min binti, ila binti, right? So li is a harf jar. We call it harf jar. So it will make the word having the um, uh, last character having this kasra, right? So li
Yes,
bintil
yes.
fallah. So هذه الدجاجة لبنت الفلاح. So this hen belongs to the daughter of the farmer, right? بنت الفلاح لبنت الفلاح. Next we have a watch. Watch means sa'a,
ساعة.
right? Sa'atun. So how to say whose watch is this?
Liman
لمن
hazihi sa'atu.
هذه الساعة؟
Naam, liman hadhihi sa'atu. Then how to answer it? Suppose it belongs to principal's son.
Hazihi
هذه
sa'atu li ibnil mudiri.
لابن المدير.
Ibnil mudiri.
Yeah, so it will be, if I add
Lib,
li here,
libnil mudiri.
libnil mudiri. Now, next we have a house here. Suppose we want to say whose house is this?
liman hazal baitu.
Liman hadal baytu. Now, suppose this house belongs to the doctor. So how to say that?
Hazal baitu li tabibi. Lil tabibi.
Had lit tabibi, right?
Oh,
We
okay,
have
okay.
ta, so we'll have to read lit tabibi. Hadal baytu lit tabibi. Okay. Next we have a spoon, right? Can you hear me?
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
yeah.
Yeah. So we have a spoon here. So how to say that? Whose spoon is this?
لمن هذه الملأقة؟
Liman
Mil'aqah,
hazihi
right?
mil'aqatu.
ملأقة.
Liman hadhil mil'aqatu, right? Mil'aqatu. Then suppose the spoon belongs to the student, talib. So how to say that?
هذه الملأقة للطبيب طالب.
Naam, lit-talibi. Hadhil mil'aqatu lit-talibi. Okay, so we have learned, mashallah, right? So how to say something belong to whom does this belong? Then we can answer it. Suppose it belongs to someone, Muhammad, Abbas, or something, Amir. So we have learned. Then next we have ta'ammal al-amthilatal atiya. So we have to ta'ammal means this is a command, ta'ammal. That means ponder, make a note. So while reading, you have to ponder about it, right? So ta'ammal al-amthilatal atiya. So read the following, keeping in mind rule pertaining to the noun ending long a. So the noun that ends with long a, so we have to keep in mind how to read that. So we have al-baytu, al-baytu. Then if preposition comes before al-baytu, it becomes fil bayti, right? So al-baytu fil bayti. Then the preposition can be minal bayti, ilal bayti, ilal bayti. Al-baytu fil bayti, minal bayti, ilal bayti. Then this word al-mustashfa, we have seen this word al-mustashfa mean hospital, right? So this word, you can see it ends with, it looks like yeah. So this looks like yeah, but is there any dot?
No.
No, no.
No, there is no dot. So if you see something like yeah, the word ends with yeah, looks like yeah, but there is no dot. So you have to read it like alif. So we read it al mustashfa. We don't read it mustashfai or mustashfi, right? We read it al mustashfa, al mustashfa. So this kind of word, even if preposition come before it, we will read it the same way. So we read it al mustashfa, fil mustashfa, minal mustashfa, ilal mustashfa. Can you read it? This word? Can you read the entire line?
المستشفى بالمستشفى من المستشفى إلى المستشفى.
Now, so al mustashfa, fil mustashfa, minal mustashfa, ilal mustashfa. Then we have another word, Amrika. So this is actually ending with alif. So we know alif doesn't take any harakats, right? So we have to read, we cannot put Dhamma, Kasra and Fatha here. So you have to read Amrika, Fi Amrika, Min Amrika, Ila Amrika. It doesn't change. Whether the preposition comes before it, whether there is a possessive position or whatever. So it will always be same. Amrika, Fi Amrika, Min Amrika, Ila Amrika. Can you read?
Amerika, fi Amerika, min Amerika, ila ila Amerika.
Now, then we have Almania, fi Almania, min Almania, ila Almania. Almania means Germany. Germany. So can you read?
Almania, Filmania,
No, not Filmania.
Filmania, Filmania.
This is
Fima,
Hamzatul. Yeah,
Fimania.
this Hamzatul Qata, right? So you have to read this Hamza. So we
Acha,
don't say Filmania, no. Fi Almania.
fi
Like
Almania.
fi Amrika. But here, this is not Hamzatul Qata. This is Hamzatul Wasl, right? We don't read this. This alif we don't read. We read fil mustashfa. But here, this is Hamzatul Qata. Means this Hamza must be read. We read fi Amrika. We read fi Almania. Now,
Hmm.
next.
Min Almania,
Hmm.
ila
Ila Almania.
Filmania, ila Almania.
Yeah, yeah. So the clue is that if you see this hamza, small head of the ain, right? It looks like head of ain. So
Ila
actually,
Almania.
we have the letter ain. Its head has been taken and put above alif. Sometimes it comes above wow, or it can be even above yeah. So different ways to write hamza, right? So if you see above alif, the head of the hamza, this is hamzatul qata. You must read it. Then hamzatul wasl, it doesn't have it. So especially this is when we have like mushaf, that is Saudi mushaf. Saudi mushaf, you will find this hamzatul qata written like this. But in Indo-Pak mushaf, we don't have it. It will be like alif only. Okay. So anyway, so if you find this, you have to read this hamza. So this is called hamzatul qata. Okay. I think it's clear.
Yeah, little.
Yeah. Okay. So next we have ikra waktub, read and write. So we have this word al-mustashfa. We have seen al-mustashfa means hospital. So we have some text here. So can you read this text? The first line.
هذا
هذا
الطبيب من إبكلتارا.
And there is one shadda here actually. Inkaltarra.
Okay.
So min
Inkaltara.
inkaltarra. Inkaltarra means England. England.
Oh,
So hada tabibu min inkaltarra. Min inkaltarra means from
from England.
in from
from
England.
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 So hada tabibu means this doctor. Hada tabibu, this doctor, min Inkaltara, from England. This doctor is from England. Hada
England.
tabibu min Inkaltara. Next one.
Zahaba
ذهب
Hamid
حامد
ila Firanza. Hamid
Ila France.
went to France.
Hamid went to France. Yes. So ذهب حامد إلى فرنسا. ذهب means he went. So when the um, a word comes that has dhamma mostly, so it become is doer. So ذهب حامد means Hamid went. ذهب حامد, where did Hamid go? إلى فرنسا, to France. Next one.
محمود
M-
مريض.
نعم.
Mahmoud is
محمود مريض.
Mahmoud is weak. Like
No, marid means sick.
sick,
Marid
sorry.
means sick. Yes. So Mahmudun maridun
Huwa
means Mahmud is sick. Next one.
huwa huwa huwal anfi anfil
Huwal ana. This is if you
an
see alif with this sign above it. This means actually there is hamza with alif. So we have,
okay.
if you have ba with alif, how do we read? Ba, right?
Ba
If you have hamza fatha, after that there is a alif, we read right? So this is actually written this way. So if you have hamza with fatha, then after that there is a alif, we read we write this way. Okay, so this is like hamza with fatha followed by alif. So how will read? Huwal ana, huwal ana. So we have to read little bit longer. Huwal ana. Al an means now. Al an means now at this point of time. So huwal ana fil mustashfa. So Mahmudun maridun. Mahmud is sick. Huwal ana fil mustashfa. He is now in the hospital. Mahmudun maridun. Mahmud is sick. Huwal ana fil mustashfa. He is now in the hospital. Now is it clear?
yes.
So this is,
Ana means now.
yes, al an. So it will
Yeah.
be
An
always
means now.
al
Means
an. Al ana means now.
acha.
Now. Next line.
One anais means me, like I.
Yeah. So that is
Ana
this.
means
This is
me,
how
like
we write
that is
ana.
ana.
So this is ana. This ana means I. I. I am. So ana mudarrisun. I am a teacher, right? Ana talibun. I am a student. Al ana means now. Al ana means now. It denotes time at this point of time. So I want to say, suppose I'm reading. Um, ana akra'u al-an. Ana qari'un al-an. So we can say this way. Okay. So have you understood?
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. So next line.
Dhahaba Abdullahi min min Almania ila Inkaltara.
In Kaltarra. Yes. Yeah. ذهب عبد
Dhahaba
الله
bahasa
من ألمانيا إلى إنكلترا. Yes. Can you translate?
so Abdullah wa- uh, minal Dhahaba Abdullah went from Germany to England.
England. Yes. MashaAllah. So ذهب عبد الله. Abdullah went من ألمانيا from Germany إلى إنكلترا to England. Next line.
هذا الكتاب لعباس وذلك الكتاب لموسى. This
Yeah.
kitab belongs to Isa. This kitab belongs to Isa, and
Isa.
that
Now.
kitab belongs to Musa.
Musa. So this word has been given to train you. So how to read it, right? So there is no dot here. This
Yes.
year doesn't have any dot. So we have to read like alif, right? So هذا الكتاب لعيسى وذلك الكتاب لموسى. So you will never find Musu, Musa, Musi, right? You will always read Musa, Musa, Musa. Whether there is possession or preposition before it, it will always be Musa. It will always be Isa. So هذا الكتاب لعيسى وذلك الكتاب لموسى. Okay. Next one.
Actually, I have one query like when Muhammad is pronouncing like Muhammadun. Zahaba
Yes.
Muhammadun or Zahaba Muhammadun. Like here name is that Abdullah. So but
Yes.
there is Abdullahi. So for
Yes.
specific
So
name this is
um,
the rule. Oh,
No, the word is abdun, right? Abdun.
yes.
Abdun means a slave. Abdun means a slave. So when you say this is a possession, right? Abdullah means slave of Allah. Abdullah. So we know when we have a possession, we cannot put this tanbin, right? One of the dhamma will go away. Like we say, kite bun. So we have kitabun. We have dhamma, right? So if I want to say book of Allah, we say kitabullah. We don't say kitabun Allah, right? We say kitabullahi. So similarly, abdun, if I want to say slave of Allah, I'll say Abdullahi. Abdullahi, right?
Okay, okay. Like Abdullah, it's made of two words. That's why Abdullah.
Yes, yes. This is two word, Abdun and Allah. So Abdun means a slave, Allah. So slave of Allah, we say Abdullahi. Abdullahi. These two words actually. So this is a position. So Abdullahi, Kitabullahi, and like that. Is it clear now?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So next one.
هذا المهندس من أمريكا.
Yes.
The engineer
Can you
is
translate?
from America.
Yes. هذا المهندس means this engineer.
Okay,
هذا means
okay.
this, right? هذا المهندس, this engineer, من
Mm.
أمريكا, is from America. Next we have Ikra, read. So this blackboard, for blackboard we have a word as sabura. Sabura. Saburatun as sabura. So can you read the first one?
الصبورة أمام الطالب.
As-sabu,
وهي
as-sabu.
الصبورة أمام الطالب وهي
Amamat Ali wa Amamat
أمام
Talibi,
الطالب.
right?
أمام الطالب
Yes.
وهي خلف المدرس.
خلف
So
المدرس. نعم.
the blackboard is in front of student, and
Hmm.
uh, and he
It is behind the
behind the
teacher.
teacher. Behind the teacher.
Yes. So here we will say here it,
It.
because sabura. Yeah.
Acha, black. We are saying black about blackboard.
Hmm.
It behind the teacher.
Yeah. السبورة أمام الطالب وهي خلف المدرس. السبورة أمام الطالب وهي خلف المدرس. نعم. Next one.
Aina
Hmm.
sayyaratul mudarrisi. What is the
نعم.
principal's car? Hiya
Yes.
amamal madrasati. It is in front of school.
Yes. Amama means in front of, and khalfa means behind. Yeah. Next one.
Aina
Aina
bay
to li imami. Aina baitul li imami.
Yes.
Where
Aina
is the
Baitul Imami.
where is the imam's house? Baitul imami khalfal masjid. Imam's bait is house is behind the masjid.
Behind the masjid. Naam. Next one.
Aina Aina jalasa Hamidun.
So Jalasa means he sat. Jalasa is another verb is coming. Jalasa means he sat. If I say Jalasa Hamidun, Hamid sat. So if I say Aina Jalasa Hamidun, where did Hamid sit?
Sit.
So yeah. Can you read again?
Aina jalasa Hamidun.
Not
Where did Hamid
Jalasa. It's Jalasa. So you have to read
jal,
Jalasa. Jalasa.
Aina jalasa Hamidun. Where
Hamidun.
did
Now.
Hamid sit?
Yes.
Jalasa khalfal جلس خلف مح محمود.
Mahmudin. Now,
So he sat in front, behind the Mahmud.
and behind Mahmud, yes. So Mahmud is a person name, so we don't say the, right? So Jalasa khalfa Mahmudin. He sat behind Mahmud. So khalfa means behind. You can one thing you can notice here, amama. We have seen amama and khalfa, right? So the word, the ism, the noun after khalfa, it has kasra. You can see kasra, right? So amama, after amama also the word has kasra. Okay. So aina jalasa Hamidun? Where did Hamid sit? Jalasa khalfa Mahmudin. He sat behind Mahmud. Next one.
ذهب عمار إلى المسجد وجلس أمام المحراب. Ammar went
Yes.
to Masjid and
Hmm.
sat in front of Mehrab.
Mehrab.
Sat in front of.
Now,
Jalasa is similar to Jalis, like it's sitting and
yeah. So jalasa is a verb, right? Jalasa is a verb. So when you say jalisun, jalisun, we call it active participle from jalasa, this verb. So we'll learn this in the later books actually. So jalisun is a noun. This is a noun, but jalasa is a verb. Jalasa means he sat. Jalisun means it can mean sitting. Um, Sitting. It can mean sitting. If I say ana jalisun, I'm sitting. So I'm sitting now. It is continuous, right? Ana jalisun. Jalasa means he sat. He sat. He may not be sitting now, but he sat in the past. That action has been completed. So when the action is completed, that is Arabic verb, that is past tense. So whenever you have a past tense, that means the action has been completed already. So jalasa is a past tense verb. So he sat. He sat maybe yesterday or just a few minutes before, but he may not be sitting now. That action has been completed. So when he says jalisun, that is continuous. He's doing it now. Ana jalisun, anta jalisun, anti jalisatun. So that means I am sitting, you are sitting, like that. Is it clear now?
yes, yes.
Yes. So this is a noun, and this jalasa, this is a verb. So this thing will come. We'll learn slowly, one by one, inshallah. Next, we have a few notes. So we have seen that normal ending of noun is u, like kitabun, al kitabu, like that. So and it changes to e, like fil kitabi, when we have a preposition before the noun, and when the noun is possessor, like we say kitabullahi. So for example, al baytu jamilun, al baytu jamilun, the house is beautiful. Then we can say bilalun fil bayti, bilalun fil bayti, bilal is in the house. Hada miftahul bayti. So this is possession, miftahul bayti, key of the house. Hada miftahul bayti. Bilalun fil bayti. This kasra is coming for this preposition. And then next we have nouns. If you have a noun that ends with long a, for example, this alif, Amrika, we have Mustashfa, we have Musa, Isa. So if a noun that ends with long a, it will not have any ending. So it will read always the same way. So we have هذه أمريكا, أنا من أمريكا, هو رئيس أمريكا. رئيس means president. So huwa ra'isu America means he is the president of America. So ana min America, I am from America. Hadhihi America, this is America. You can see we are using hadhihi, right? There is no ta marbuta with America, but we are using hadhihi. So we'll learn in the later books, like uh, so the name of a place. So if you are using a city or a place, so that is always used as feminine. So we say هذه أمريكا. We don't say هذا أمريكا. We say هذه أمريكا, right? Then this word khalfa means behind. Amama means in front of. So these two words, when it comes before any noun, so that noun will have e ending. It will have kasra. Suppose it takes kasra, then it must have kasra. So we say al baytu khalf al masjidi. Al baytu khalf al masjidi. So the house is behind the mosque. Hamidun amam al mudarrisi. Hamidun amam al mudarrisi. Hamid is in front of the teacher. Hamid is in front of the teacher. So you can see khalfa. After khalfa, al masjid is having kasra. Al masjidi. We say khalfa al masjidi. We never say khalfa al masjidu or khalfa al masjida. That will be incorrect. Al baytu khalfa al masjidi. Al baytu khalfa al masjidi. Hamidun amam al mudarrisi. Amam al mudarrisi. Then we have learned the word jalasa. Jalasa means he sat, is a verb, past tense. So jalasa means he sat. If I say jalasa Hamidun, Hamid sat. So we can make like this question: Aina jalasa Muhammadun? Aina jalasa Muhammadun? Where did Muhammad sit? Jalasa amamal mudarrisi. Jalasa amamal mudarrisi. He sat in front of the teacher. Then few words, new words we have learned. Asikinu. Asikinu means knife. Almania, Germany. Inkaltarra means England. Al Mustashfa, hospital. America, America. Muglaqun, closed. Al Iraq, Iraq. Suisra. Suisra means Switzerland. Now, another thing we have noted that if a word ends with yeah, but that yeah doesn't have any dots. So, for example, Mustashfa, Musa, Isa. So this word will read like alif. The ending will read like alif, not like yeah. So we read al Mustashfa. We don't read al Mustashfi or al Mustashfi. That will be incorrect. We read al Mustashfa. So this yeah you will not find any dot. So for example, this word if you see, we have yeah with this ending, right? So we read fee. We read fee. Then this word doesn't have, it looks like end with yeah, but we don't have any dots. We read ala or ila. Okay. So this is ala. We don't read alai or ali, right? So this is ala, but this is fee. So you will find that there is no dot. So that has to be read like alif. So we have completed lesson 8. So this was lesson 8.